Hello guys. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Welcome to Miss and Mr. Panache India 2021. Hi Amisha, hi Javnika, hi Tanvi, hi Saji. Okay, so we shall start now, and I'm putting the video. We are going to start with our video today. Here it goes.
True beauty is often found in the smallest details. To be able to see it, you just have to look closer. It is all around you. It can be found in the miracles of nature. When you are creating beauty, there is no right or wrong. The desire to create is one of the deepest yearnings of the human soul. It can be found in the things we take for granted every day. Self-belief, dedication, and hard work will always pay off in the end.
So hope you guys are excited for today's interactive session. I'm going to welcome Mrs. Kushna Mavari, the director of Panache Academy, with me, and then we are going to start with the session. So guys, meanwhile, start putting your questions, whatever you have, in the comment box so that we can answer all your questions today. Hello Kushnam.
Good evening, Khushbu, and good evening all our viewers. I hope everyone's doing fine. It's great to see all the numbers that are going up. So thank you all. Thank you so much. And first and foremost, before we start the session today, there's something that I'd like to share with all of you all. And that is that thank you so much for the overwhelming response that we have been getting for our pageant. The numbers are going absolutely high. It's going crazy. There are times when the website is crashing with the amount of applicants that we are getting from all over India, from states such as Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa, Uttar Pradesh, you name it, and we have entries. So thank you all. Thank you, India, for your support. We truly appreciate it.
Okay, so today's session is going to be really different and it's going to be interactive. We are going to announce our top, maybe the first 10 who are going to enter to the semi-finals directly. So yeah, Kusham, shall we start with it?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, I think we can take one or two questions and then call someone. What do you suggest?
Sure. Yes. Guys, if you have any questions, please put it in the comment box so that we'll answer your questions live. And I already have few questions of yours that from today's story we are going to answer. So let's start with that. Okay. So the first question that is there, and it's been asked from many of you, is there any dress code for the auditions? So Kusham, what do you have to say?
Well, as far as dress code for the audition goes, nothing specific, but it has to be smart casuals. Or you can wear a dress, a gown, a smart casual, but we would prefer not to see you in a normal jeans and t-shirt. So remember, this is, even though it's an online platform, the platform is huge. It's a Miss and Mr. India we are talking about, for which reason certain standards that even we need to follow. So your attire needs to be smart casuals or anything that makes you look pretty and glamorous.
Okay, so we have one question question here. Someone is asking what is the last date for registration. So the last date is 10th of May.
Right. So
Yeah,
10th of May is the last date of registration. You still have a few days to go. So rush in your entries.
Okay, and then we have Dazzling Princess asking, I got mail regarding PA number and regarding audition. So am I selected?
Absolutely, you are. You are selected for the audition, and you will be getting your, yes, you've got your mail already. So you have your date for the audition, and the time and the platform will be known to you a day prior to the auditions.
There's another question. How many members in finale? Question, this is a tricky one. How many members in finale?
Well, if members in finale, wow. Actually, honestly, that depends on the amount of entries that we are getting. We are filtering them out. So yes, the numbers, the trend that is on, the numbers are definitely going to be high. But the final will be the 6 top winners that emerge out of the entire pageant.
And to add on to that, we'll be having 25 subtitles as
Yes.
well.
Yes, absolutely right. 25 subtitles and 6 title winners.
Okay. So there is another question that is being asked for last 2 days, and again I can see in the chat. Is it fully online or offline? Finale is going to be offline.
The entire pageant is going to be an online pageant. This is the first of its kind pageant ever launched in our country, which is going to be completely online. It's a completely new trend that we are setting. And I'd be pretty proud to say, but 24 hours from our launch, people have already started copying us. So, yes, it's going to be a completely online pageant. At each step of the way, we will be telling you, guiding you how we are going forward with it. But there's nothing that is going to be physical. Everything will be online.
Krishnam, we are going to rock it. It's one of a kind pageant, and I'm sure
Absolutely.
we'll be the best.
Thank you. Thank you. The entire Panache team and Khushbu, you, of course, all of you all have been working day in and day out, putting things together. So I'm sure we're going to rock it finally.
Okay, so we have this question from Ayush, and I think this question even came in the story as well. When winner will be announced? So,
which winner, Ayush? Which winner are you talking about?
I think
we have just started off with the journey to find our winners. So, if you're talking about the 5 winners from Instagram and 5 winners from Facebook, we are just about to start in a moment.
Okay, so shall we go ahead with the announcement? I think we are getting a lot of questions. So at least we can start with the first winner. Krishnam, you want to go ahead with that?
Okay, so let's start with Girl Power. So the first name I'm going to announce is Ayushi Parekh. Ayushi, if you could join us, please. Ayushi is 18 years and is from Bharuch.
Ayushi, can you please send me the request so that I can add you here? Ayushi, if you're there, can you please send the request so that we can add you with us?
Ayushi, are you there? Otherwise, we can go to the next name on the list and she can join us later if that is the thing, Khushbu.
Yeah, just give it a minute. Let's see. I don't see Ayushi here in the room. Okay. So Ayushi is the first one. Yeah, Khushbu, we can go ahead with the second name.
Let's go ahead.
Yeah. So second is Sushil Solanki. He's from Dahod and 21 years old. So Sushil, are you there with us? Can we add you, Sushil? Sushil Solanki.
Guys, if you all are there with us and you all are having some problem sending us a link, then let us know in the chat box. We'll figure something out. Okay, Khushi is here. Khushbu, if you can see her, message is there.
Khushi
I'm
Parekh,
Khushi
right?
Parekh. Yeah,
First one was Khushi Parekh, right?
Khushi Parekh, yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Khushi, just 1 second. Let me add you here. Just 1 second. Okay, Khushi, I'm adding you here. Okay, I think initially we did the mistake calling out name. We called Ayushi, but it was Khushi Parekh.
Is that so? Okay, I'm sorry. My mistake. Yes, Khushi?
Khushi, I've sent you the request. Okay, one request from everyone, whoever is getting the audition mail, please make sure on the day of audition you have a proper internet connection, proper connectivity. It will be great if you can have your laptop with you and you do it from the laptop.
Khushbu, Khushi is messaging. She's not getting the request.
Let me send it again. Khushi, I've sent you the invite again. Just check on that. Okay, Khushi, in case if it's not working, we can go ahead with the second one, and once you have the better internet connection, we'll come back to you.
So what was the second name that you announced?
Sushil Solanki. Sushil, are you there? Sushil, are you there? Kushan, I think we can go ahead with the third one.
Fine. So the third one on the list is Kamakshi. Kamakshi Mishra.
Kamakshi Mishra.
I think it's okay. Let's just announce the names.
Okay. So we'll announce the names, and whoever is interested to join, they can
just send us a request.
And
sure.
We'll add you here.
Right, we'll do that.
1 second. I think Kamakshi is there. She sent the request.
Okay.
Just 1 second.
Sure.
Yeah. So Kamakshi is going to join us right now.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kamakshi. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So how do you feel, Kamakshi? All excited?
Yes, ma'am. From the last 2 years, everyone was suffering, and this is a great opportunity. I'm really excited about it and looking forward for it.
Excellent, Kamakshi. So great that you came up with this topic. Now I'm going to question you on this.
Okay, ma'am.
As you said, last maybe a year and a half से बहुत negativity है, आजू बाजू में हर रोज डिप्रेसिंग न्यूज सुनने मिल रहे हैं. तो when you heard about this pageant, क्या thoughts थे आपके mind में?
Ma'am, since we are of this generation, we are totally active on social media. We go for shoots and click pictures, and everyone wants to be an influencer, get some followers, get some likes. So when I heard about this, I thought, okay, I'm studying in Panache. I'm doing my BBA in aviation. So I thought, okay, maybe this can be the epiphany of my life. Maybe this can be the turning point of my life. So let's give it a try. And I'm interested in it. I'm interested in modeling. So I joined in, I registered in, and let's see what happens next.
Great, Kamakshi. So, did the thought cross you ke keeping the pandemic that is happening, ये beauty pageant हो रहा है, तो the whole idea was to instill positivity in you all, to instill excitement, to get that smile back on your face. So, tell me, have we been successful in doing that?
Yes, ma'am, because we were having nothing in our life. Our life was a food without salt, but this thing added a salt in it. So yeah, I think you have been successful, fully successful in it.
Thank you
It won't be
so
just
much,
salt, it will
Kamakshi.
be full of spices when you go ahead with the entire pageant, and the journey will be very,
Very
very exciting.
exciting.
Very
And as you
exciting.
say, something new that you are going to learn each day. So
Yes, ma'am.
we wish you all the very best, Kamakshi. Good luck.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
All the
hope to see
best.
you perform really well. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Kamashi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so that was Kamakshi with us. So, can we go ahead with the next one? Khushi, are you
Sure.
there, or shall we go ahead with the fourth name?
Kushi is sending us a request. Kushi, can you send us a request, please?
Okay, let me just see. Let me try to add you.
Can
once
we
again.
announce the other name also? So I think Khushbu, let's announce all the names, and
Okay.
whoever is there, they can just keep on sending us the requests.
Okay, cool. So the next name is after Sushil Solanki. The next name is Darshana Maheshwari.
Okay, so
we have
Darshana,
Khushi here.
if you are there, Darshana, get ready and welcome Khushi.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, darling?
Good evening.
Good evening. So nice to see you. You're looking very pretty
How are
and
you, ma'am?
glamorous.
Ma'am, you both also.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much, Khushi. Thank you. So tell us, Khushi, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very excited.
How
Great.
It is a very wonderful feeling that I'm selected.
Excellent, excellent. So, Khushi, tell me one thing. Uh, have you felt this kind of excitement and have you dressed up like this recently in the past few months or past year?
Never.
No. Okay. So, I think Khushbu, our entire idea of generating the excitement and positivity within the youth can be seen on their faces and
Yes.
the excitement that we see on their face.
Yes, it can. So खुशी प्रिपरेशन कैसे करने वाले हो आप?
अभी तो प्रिपरेशन का तो कुछ पता नहीं, बस अभी एक्साइटमेंट इतना बढ़ गया है कि बस कब स्टार्ट हो.
Very soon.
बहुत
And
जल्द
thank you
खुशी.
so much, ma'am, for this opportunity to giving me.
Not at all. Not at all. We are very excited. We are equally excited to have you all with us. And we are looking forward to a great journey with all of you all. We want to
Once
spread
again, thank you,
positivity
ma'am.
all around. So thank you so much, Khushi. Thank you and all the best to you.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
All
Thank
the
you for
best.
joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, so next was Darshana Maheshwari, 18 years from Kutch.
Darshana, if you are here, please send your request in, please. Okay, the next.
Go ahead with the next name.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The next one is Siddharth. Siddharth Sheel. Siddharth, if you are here with us, please send us your request.
So after Siddharth, we have Prerna Saxena, 22 years from MP. Prerna, if you are there, do send us a request.
Prerna, Siddharth, whoever is there, just send us a request, please. Okay, the next one after that is Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi Dedhia. Vaibhavi, if you are there, please send us a request. Siddharth.
Next one is Divya Chandriya, 16 years from Jamnagar.
Okay, someone
Sorry,
is.
Tia. Tia Chandriya.
Okay, I
sorry.
think Siddharth is sending the request because his ID says Wake Up Sid. So
Oh, okay.
I assume that's Siddharth.
Okay, just okay. Let me just try to add him. Siddharth, I've sent you the request. Please accept and join us.
It's so good to see the positivity that they are showing. I mean, the excitement that is there on their faces. It's been a long time I've seen that.
All of them are super excited.
All of them are.
I think something is wrong from Siddharth's side. The request just got cancelled. Let me just
Right.
try to add him up.
Meanwhile, we can take up a question or two,
Yes.
Khushbu, if it's
Yes.
there.
Yeah. So the next question that we got was how are the auditions going to be conducted?
Well, the auditions, as of course, the bottom line is going to be conducted online, and they will be we'll be taking you online, asking you certain amount of questions, your confidence with which you answer, your grace, your body language, all of it will be judged, and we'll make the decision there and there.
Okay, so the next question, the whole detailed procedure of the pageant.
Wow,
Someone wants
okay.
to know the entire, how the pageant is going to go, how we are going to start and the entire thing.
The way things are going, I hope this question is asked by a contestant.
Yeah.
Because as you know, within 24 hours, people have started copying us. So yes, we are going to conduct the registrations just now, which are on. So registrations are on till the 10th of May, followed by the auditions. Once the auditions are done and we have filtered out the semi-finalists, there will be a 7-day training for all the semi-finalists, after which we'll go in for the semi-finale round, which will be followed by the finale.
So many of you had this question yesterday, that how are we going to go about makeup and photo shoots, which are the two most important part of any pageants.
Right.
So, you want to answer that?
Well, just as I said, there's going to be a 7-day training. So we are going to train our semi-finalists in all the aspects, which would be grooming, makeup, hair, skin care, nutrition, motivational speakers coming in. So we have a whole lot of things planned for them. And makeup, of course, being a very important part of it, we are going to have professional makeup artists who would be coming and teaching our girls as to how to apply makeup and go ahead with it.
Okay, so we are getting requests from Prerna Khushram. Shall I add her?
Please, 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 definitely.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to add Prerna. Yeah. And meanwhile, she is joining about the photo shoots, Khushram. So
for the photo shoots, we are again going to have photo shoots, but those photo shoots again are going to be digital. So they are going to be digital photo shoots, which will be again conducted online. This is a complete new trend that has come into the market, and we are one of the first pageants that is who's going to take this and do this with our contestants.
So we have Prerna here. Welcome, Prerna, and many congratulations to you.
Congratulations, Prerna. You're
Good
looking
evening,
very
ma'am, and
pretty.
thank you so much, ma'am. And thanks a lot to Panache that you gave me opportunity to being here. I'm here because of you. I was very excited to participate in such type of contest and or audition, and now I got the such opportunity and
Yes.
to prove myself.
Thank you, Prerna. So, आपको पता है ये बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है. This
Yes,
is not restricted to Panache और अहमदाबाद और गुजरात. पूरे इंडिया से हमें एप्लीकेंट्स आ रहे हैं. पूरे इंडिया से आपको कंटेस्टेंट्स मिलने वाले हैं, जिन फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स जिनके साथ आप compete करने वाले हो. तो क्या सोचा, आपकी तरफ से क्या तैयारी करने वाले हो आप?
मैम मेरी तरफ से आई विल गिव माय बेस्ट. आई विल गिव माय बेस्ट एंड मैम आई विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट. मैं तो पूरी तरह से मैम कॉन्फिडेंटली जो है सब. मैम कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट वंस मोर
मेरा
क्वेश्चन?
क्वेश्चन ये है, डोंट गेट नर्वस, कंप्लीटली फाइन, डोंट गेट नर्वस एट ऑल, राइट? ओके, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है पनाश मिस एंड मिस्टर इंडिया 2021, ये बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है. यहाँ आपको जो फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स मिलने वाले हैं फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया मिलने वाले हैं. जैसे मैंने पहले भी अनाउंस किया जब मैंने शुरू किया कि हमारे पास जो कंटेस्टेंट्स है वो फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, राजस्थान, तमिलनाडु, केरला, गोवा, महाराष्ट्र, होल लॉट ऑफ स्टेट्स आर कमिंग इन. तो आप क्या तैयारी कर रहे हो उसके लिए?
मैम एक्चुअली योर नेटवर्क इशू.
हाँ darling, आपका नेटवर्क इश्यू है. anyway, so आप बस मुझे इतना बता दो कि आपकी तरफ से पूरी तैयारी होने वाली है. Do we get that 100% commitment from your side?
पूरे 100% commitment, ma'am, and I'm ready to rock, ma'am. And thank you so much. Thank you to Panache. Thank you to you, ma'am, that you gave us actually opportunity, ma'am. And
Thank you
Thank you,
so
Prerna.
much. All the best. Good
Thank
luck
you
to
for
you,
joining.
Prerna. Thank you.
All the best.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Kushram, सबसे एक ही request रहेगा because it is an online pageant and we need to have proper network. I think connectivity is must, and guys, जिसके पास
Exactly. So we have to tell all our contestants
Yeah.
that is one requirement that we are asking from our side, and that would be proper network from your side. Apart from that, we are here to manage everything.
Be it auditions, be it finale, be it semi-finals, anything. What we need is proper connectivity. That's all.
Absolutely.
So shall we answer a question or two more before? I think last 1 or 2 names left to announce, right? So shall we announce?
Yeah, so
that?
we can announce the names and meanwhile we can answer the questions while they join.
Right. So yeah. Go ahead.
So the next, I think I already announced her, Vaibhavi Dediya. Vaibhavi, if you are here.
Okay, after Vaibhavi, we have Diya Chandriya, and then we have Saji Sheikh from Ahmedabad, 20 years old. Saji Sheikh.
And the last but not the least is Jayesh Parihar. So if any of y'all are there, guys, send us requests, and while we answer the questions, we'll take you all in.
Okay. So, okay. Did we
Jayesh,
answer this question?
Siddharth, Vaibhavi, whoever is there, send us requests, please.
What are the grooming related details for audition? That is another question. What are the grooming related details for audition?
Well, the biggest grooming related details that I can give is the girls that were just seeing, uh, you need to present yourself in a proper manner. The way your clothing is, a certain amount of makeup, hair, you are taking part in a beauty pageant. So certain amount of standard needs to be maintained. And I think all the three girls that we met right now, all of them were pretty well groomed. And if that is the grooming you all maintain for your auditions, I think that's good enough and completely acceptable to us. What about you, Khushbu? Anything you'd like to add here?
No, I think that's the main thing, and they need to be presentable. That's all.
Absolutely presentable, good makeup, hair, dress up well. You're confident, you can answer well. We don't need anything else.
And even for boys in that matter, guys, please be well groomed, no beard, proper hair. Make sure you're dressing well. So that is again very important for boys too.
And the main thing is confidence. How confident you are and how confidently you answer the questions.
So Kushna, we have Sergil's Sheikh over here. I'm trying to add her.
Okay.
Add him, sorry. So he's going to join with us. There is some problem
Sure.
with Siddharth's network. He is sending us requests, but I don't know whether it's not accepting. Hello, Sergil.
Hello, Sajil. How are you? Everyone is having net issues.
Network issue.
Can you hear us, Sajil?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening,
So,
ma'am. You
good
are looking
evening.
pretty, ma'am.
Thank you so much. You're looking handsome yourself. So how do you feel,
Thank you, sir.
Sajil? How are you doing?
Sorry?
How are you?
How are you doing? How are you feeling right now? Excited?
I'm very excited, ma'am. Very, ma'am. My heartbeat is pumped. Dup, 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 dup.
Duk, 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 duk. Okay, great. So,
I have some question.
you saying something? Yes,
Yes,
ask.
जो ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस होगा मैम, ऑडिशंस राउंड है और जब अरे तो वो
हाँ.
किस ऑर्गेनाइज से होगा, मतलब किस ऐप से होगा? वी आर यूजिंग गूगल मीट.
किस ऐप से होगा वो आपको राइट गूगल मीट तो won't be the platform we'll be using. There'll be another professional platform that we'll be using. और वो कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म होगा वो आपको मेल में एक दिन पहले आपको पता चल जाएगा. तो you will have enough time to download it and be ready for it.
तब तक
Okay.
आप अपने प्रेजेंटेशन का, अपने ग्रूमिंग का प्रिपरेशन करके, अपने कपड़ों का प्रिपरेशन
आप
करके
किस तरह से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने वाले हो, क्या बोलने वाले हो, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे होगा, वो सारी चीजें पे फोकस करिए. ठीक है? कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म होगा वो आपको 24 आवर्स बिफोर योर ऑडिशन आपको पता चल जाएगा.
तो जो
ठीक है?
एक
ये
और क्वेश्चन
प्रॉपर
है मैम.
प्रोफेशनल. पूछो.
आई जस्ट किडिंग. जिसको सेमीफाइनल टिकट मिल चुका है मैम, ठीक है, तो ऑडिशन राउंड इज कंपल्सरी.
जिसको सेमीफिनाले
ऑडिशन इज कंपल्सरी.
का ऑडिशन तो आपको देना पड़ेगा. आप ऑलरेडी उसमें क्वालिफाई हो चुके हो तो आपको तो और ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंटली देना है ना. जब आपको पता है कि एग्जाम में पास हो चुके हो तो फिर टेंशन है ही नहीं. राइट?
कोई टेंशन
तो
नहीं. यस,
ऑडिशन आपको देना है और सेमीफिनाले ऑफ कोर्स यू आर इन. सो यू विल बी इन फॉर आवर 7-day ट्रेनिंग जो हम अपने सारे सेमीफाइनलिस्ट को देंगे.
श्योर मैम.
राइट?
थैंक यू Sajal.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am.
All the very best.
All the best.
Thank you so much
Thank
to
you and
giving the
thank you.
all of them.
Good luck to you and hope that you perform excellent and we see you in the finale. Good luck.
Also you good luck ma'am. Again.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so let me see if we have any other requests. Krishna, meanwhile, guys, don't forget to put your questions in the chat box. We are still waiting for your questions. I think we have missed few questions जो ऊपर निकल चुके हैं. If we want
Pakka,
to,
we have the time so we can definitely answer.
Yeah, let me just go up and see the questions. 1 second. I have done my registration. So next, ma'am, what will you do?
Well, you've done your registration. So first and foremost, thank you for that. And we will be getting back to you very shortly. If you're selected, you will be getting your confirmation mail with the date for your audition.
Okay.
And once your
So-
auditions are taken, you know what's the further process. I just mentioned it.
Okay, so the next question we have here is what you are looking for Miss and Mr. India.
Well, we are looking. So we are looking for someone who is presentable, who can carry the name and legacy of Panache further down. So that is very important. Someone who is confident, someone who has the presence of mind, someone who can present him or herself in a positive manner, someone who has knowledge about current affairs, someone who has knowledge about general knowledge, someone who can uphold the name of Panache. So yes, that is what we are looking for. Guys, don't worry, don't rush to the sites and start reading about general knowledge. It's basically how quickly you can answer questions at that very moment is what we are looking for.
And you're going to get trained on everything.
Absolutely. You are going to get trained for the question answer round itself. And you're going to get 360-degree training. So don't worry at all. We are here for that.
Okay, so when we talk about training, Kusham, there's another question for training. When we are going to start training?
When are we going to start training? We are going to start training as soon as we end with our audition rounds. So yes, that would be somewhere around mid-May is when I think maybe we'd be starting off with our training.
Okay, there's this question and I am seeing like a lot of people asking in the story and they are sending us DM for the photos. They are not able to upload the photo in the form and where shall they send? So guys, whoever you guys are not able to upload the picture, that's okay. Go for your auditions. It's okay. You can just submit your form, go for your auditions, and once you are selected in audition, then we are going to take your pictures. So it's okay.
Right.
If you're not able to submit just now, just submit the form.
Well, I'd just like to add here that till yesterday, it was absolutely mandatory to put your photographs in the form. Otherwise, your form was not being accepted. But now we have made this change, and today evening onwards, your forms would be accepted without photographs also. But that does not mean all of you all rush in your forms without photographs. Definitely try to put in your photograph. In case for whatever reasons it does not go through, then we are okay and we'll accept it without a photograph also.
Kusham, can we repeat the names of the people whom we want to join once?
Sure. We are looking for Jayesh Parihar, Vaibhavi Dedhia,
Yes,
Siddharth
Vaibhavi we
Sheel.
have.
Okay.
We have Vaibhavi over here. She had sent the request. So Vaibhavi, I'm going to send you the request now. If you are there, please join us. Meanwhile, Kusham, we have another question. I think, okay, Vaibhavi is there.
Okay, Vaibhavi
Hello,
is here.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Vaibhavi. Good evening. I see you're working somewhere. Are you in your
Yes,
uniform?
ma'am. Actually, I'm on my duty. That's why.
Okay, great. So
Yeah.
congratulations, Vaibhavi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this opportunity. I'm loving it.
Not at all. How are you happy and excited about the whole thing?
Very happy, ma'am.
Great. So Vaibhavi, tell us, how are you going to get ready for the semi-finale and the finale, because it's a very big platform that you've come onto.
Yes, ma'am. So first thing, the confidence. I'm just trying to put on the confidence, and whatever the pros and cons I'm having, I'm just trying to rectify it and perform my best.
Great, great, great.
Great,
So
Vaibhavi.
don't worry, Vaibhavi. We are here also to train you. We are here to hold you and take you through. So just give your best and leave the rest to us.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Khushbu, anything you'd like to tell her?
No, you look very pretty, Vaibhavi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You both look so pretty. I'm just fond of you both.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
Vaibhavi.
you.
Good luck and all the
Thank
best
you.
to
All
you.
the best, Vaibhavi. We'll see
Thank
you
you.
soon.
See you soon, ma'am.
See you.
Take
Bye.
care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So, Kushram, I think they are very excited to know everything
Very.
about the pageant beforehand. You know,
Absolutely.
even
Absolutely.
अभी परसों ही pageant launch किया हमने day before yesterday evening, and today we have a lot of people who have already joined us. और अभी बहुत सारे questions flood हो रहे हैं.
बहुत सारे हो रहे हैं.
Instagram पे और DMs में, and even यहाँ पे भी. So एक और similar type का question that we have over here is and I think थोड़ा surprise के साथ रखेंगे, but ठीक है, I'll put the question
ठीक है.
here, which is what type of activities we will be doing in the contest.
Okay, what kind of activities? Activities तो बहुत lined up है. They all will be a part of your training, and it is going to be a fun process while when it's your journey from the audition to the finale. It's a complete fun-filled days that we have planned for you, as I had mentioned in the launch itself, with so much negativity around. The entire pageant was conceptualized ताकि हम positivity डालें, and I think Khushbu, to a certain extent, we have definitely been successful seeing the happy faces and the excitement of our selected 10 semi-finalists. So yes, it makes me confident that yes, we are on the right path for the right cause.
We are.
And of course, let me remind all our viewers that apart from this, we are going up for a fundraiser wherein we are going to donate oxygen plants to hospitals also. So yes, this pageant does have another social cause also attached with it. So we are looking for all the support that we can.
Kushram, can we talk once again about the prizes that we are going to give to the contestants, like the winners and the subtitles and the things that are already there? It's there everywhere in the website, but we
It's
keep
there.
getting
It's there.
questions as well.
Fine. So when we are talking about the prizes, let's start with the subtitle winners. We are going to have 25 subtitle winners. So guys, that's a big number. All of you all pull up your socks and start working for all the different titles that are there. So 25 subtitles. All our finalists would be getting certifications from Panache. And of course, Mr. and Miss Panache, the crown holders, they are going to get 50,000 each. The first runner-ups would be getting 30,000 each. The second runner-up would be getting 15,000 each. Apart from that, they are going to be the face of Panache for the coming year. They are going to get 100% scholarships from Panache. Apart from them, even our semi-finalists are going to get scholarships, certain percentage. And all the participants, all the contestants who are there are going to get scholarships from us, photo shoots, advertisement campaigns, a lot of things, a lot of goodies have been planned for all of them. So let's keep a few surprises, and yes, these are the main highlights.
Great. There are a lot of things that they are going to get out of the pageant, and just not the money or just not the amount, but the scholarship.
Exactly. It's the entire journey which is so very important.
Exactly. So, yeah, that's a great thing. And Kusham, there's another question we have from Sanchit. Okay, I would like to again get one thing more into you guys notice is please don't right now when whoever is selected for the auditions, please make sure that you have a username, a proper username as of now, at least till the time you're part of this pageant. It will be
Yes,
easy
that
for
is
us
very
to
important.
track you guys. Otherwise, it gets difficult. Right now, it's very difficult for me to find you online. So it will be really easy. So two things again, guys. One is internet, and second is your name, your username. Please keep your name as a username
The
for
name
that.
with which you have applied, just keep that as your username. So that will help us also track you down.
Kushram, there's another question. Ma'am, can we wear traditional outfit for auditions?
Yes, you can. Definitely you can.
Okay. This question has been asked 2 to 3 times, and we have been
Hmm.
answering this question for last 2 days. That finale is going to be offline. No, finale is
No.
not going to be offline. It will be completely online.
Yeah, since this is a new concept, Khushbu, I think we have come up with.
Yes.
People are actually trying to figure out and they're wondering how are we going to do the entire thing. So that could be the reason we are constantly being asked this question.
Shushil, Darshana, Dia, are you guys there? And Kushram, can you just tell me the names that you have with you?
Siddharth and Jayesh.
Okay. So let me just see. Please send me the request. Let me just try finding them out. Meanwhile, Kushram, would you like to tell them about the kind of in little bit in detail about the grooming sessions that they are going to get? What all things will be covered? Because that is another question that I can see over there. They are very curious to know the sessions that will be covered.
If we are talking only about grooming, yes, grooming, your body language, the way you present yourself. I think even question answers, we can include that in grooming itself. So, yes, the question answer sessions for girls, makeup, hair, uh, even the way you pose for your photo shoots, then your ramp walk, all this would broadly fall under grooming. So yes, all these topics will be covered. Apart from that, as I mentioned earlier, also we'll be having someone who will be coming and talking about food and nutrition, how you're supposed to look after yourself. We could have a trainer with us who would show you some exercises that you could do at home. We have a lineup of a motivational speaker also who would come and uh, talk to us. Then we are, in fact, we have tied up with a psychologist also who would be coming and talking about stress management because, yes, we all need that these days since we are locked up at home and with the pressure of the pageant. I'm sure our contestants are going to need that also. So it's a huge variety that we have planned for all of them. And yes, we are super excited to go ahead, and I hope all our contestants are too.
Okay. I think we are not able to connect with any other contestants as of now. So, Kushram, there are a few more questions that are there. So we
Okay,
can continue with that.
right.
So there's one which is sent by Mr. Bunny. What about the
Okay.
rounds? You will be giving us any theme?
There could be a round with themes, and as and when we think it's the right time, we will be disclosing it. So, yes, there would be a round with a theme also.
And what are they going to ask during auditions related, like some idea they want to know? So we are
ये तो
leaking the
ऐसे हो
question
गया
paper
जैसे आप
here.
क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक करवाने बोल रहे हो. But yes, we'll be asking you some very general questions that at least you can be prepared for. Would be your self-introduction and what you're doing and your hobbies. Just basic general questions that you can be ready with. Apart from that, we'll take it from there.
Ma'am, is everyone who are registering for competition will be selected for auditions? Yes.
We definitely have a cutoff number. So till we reach a cutoff number, yes, you will be going in for auditions. After that, not only auditions, but the registrations would also be stopping. So please put in your registrations as soon as possible. The last date for registrations is 10th of May.
Okay, we have a very sweet message from Ria.
Okay.
I just want to say all the best, and this is an amazing pageant. I'm really excited for this.
Okay, great. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Ria.
Ria.
Thank you. We
And all
really
the best to you
appreciate your good
too.
wishes. Thank you, and good luck to you too.
How does this winners will go from FB and Instagram? How does this winners will go from FB and Instagram? Sorry, Ria, I'm not able to understand your question. Kusham, were you able to understand?
Maybe she's asking, how did these guys, how did these people, how did we select them from FB and Instagram?
Yeah.
That is what she could be asking. So, Ria, we launched on Friday. That was the 30th of April when we launched. And during the launch, I had announced that the first 5 contestants who would be applying from Instagram and the first 5 who would be applying from Facebook will be going directly into the semi-finale as our early bird contestants. And these are the ones that we just named who have been going there.
Krishnan, can we just repeat the name once again if we are missing on anyone? Because I'm seeing few requests coming, but I don't know whether they are there in the list. So can we announce the name again once?
Sure. Shall I just name all the 5, even the ones who have joined us? So
Yes.
just go through it.
Yeah.
The first one is Khushi Parekh. Then is Kamakshi Mishra, Siddharth Sheel, Vaibhavi Dedia, and Jayesh Parihar.
Okay. And then the names that I have is Sushil Solanki, Darshana Maheshwari, Prerna Saxena, Diya Chandriya, and then Sarji Sheikh. So Siddharth, I can see your request, but I'm really sorry. I'm trying to add you, but it's not working. Maybe your network connection is not proper.
Just let's give it a last try, and
Last try,
if that
yeah.
doesn't work.
Yeah, so meanwhile, I'm adding Kusham. There's another question. For boys, clean shave is mandatory?
No, it's not mandatory. If you think you can carry yourself with a stub or whatever, it's okay.
Okay, and I'm trying to add Siddharth again. How excited are you, Krishna, for this pageant? You know, I'm asking you that question.
Exactly. Well, my answer to this would be as excited as you are. Because
Very excited.
exactly.
Super excited.
Oh, there he
We
is.
have Siddharth.
Hello.
Finally, Siddharth, we got you here.
Finally, I was continuously trying since last 15 minutes, but I don't know why I was not able to join.
So
Yes.
great. Welcome, Siddharth, and congratulations. We are very happy to have you here.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
I'm so grateful that I have got this opportunity. Like a part of me always wanted to explore this part, like modeling and acting, but I never encouraged me. So the Panache Academy gave this opportunity to me, so I can unlock this side, so I can explore more about me.
great, Siddharth. So now I would suggest that completely unlock yourself. Just go for
Yeah.
it. Have the focus of the winner podium in front of you, and with full confidence, go for the
Yes,
final.
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Siddharth, tell me, apart from that, how are you working on yourself for going forward? Because since you're one of the semi-finalists already.
On working side, like this is my first time, so I have not much that I just like to prepare myself, because I was like, when I got the call that I am directly passed to the semi-finale, so I was already excited. I was little bit nervous what to do and how to do. So I'm just preparing myself and looking and surfing here and there, so that what is the next step. So, but I'm sure that I'll come with 100%.
Absolutely. That is what we are also looking for, 100% from your side. Rest, we'll manage
Yes, ma'am.
everything for you. So Good luck to you. All the best.
All the
Thank
best.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
And hope to see you in the finale now. Semi-finale,
Sure,
of
ma'am.
course.
Thank you,
After
ma'am.
that, the finale.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. All the
Thank
best,
you.
Siddharth.
Thank you for joining us, Siddharth.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Kushram, there's another question. I'll come back to that question of your excitement because
Okay.
that was not answered completely. But before that, we have another question over here. Do we need to prepare for ramp walk for auditions?
You could be asked. You not necessary that you got to prepare, and we don't even expect everyone to know. We will be training you for it. But yes, in case the jury asks you for a walk, you may have to do it. So at least have a rough idea of how people walk on the ramp.
There's another question that is there, and it's been asked twice. Maybe Kushram, you'll be able to understand. How are you going to film the audition filming? So,
Okay, the platform that we are going to use, it will be an on-screen recording. So yes, the entire audition will be filmed there.
There's question from Priyanka Jadhav. Auditions will be on Instagram. No, auditions will not be on Instagram. We'll be sending you a different link from where
Platform link. Wait.
different platform. Yeah.
Right.
So someone is asking Jayesh to connect, and there are lots and lots of best wishes for us, for the contestants,
How sweet.
for the auditions, and yeah, I think that's the question. We don't have any more questions, guys. If you have any more questions, we
Great.
have under 2 to 3 minutes. So please answer, and meanwhile, Krishna, please continue with your answer.
So yes, Kushbu, I am very excited. I'm super excited. There's a lot of hard work that has gone into putting things together. You, me, the entire team of Panache has been working day in and day out to put things together for this, and keeping in mind the pandemic. There are a lot of obstacles we are coming across. So each step we are taking is an obstacle which we need to overcome. So yes, we are facing a lot of problems, but we, as the contestants, even we have a focus in mind that this is what we want to do. We want to see, and we want our younger generation to have this positivity, this excitement, and this smile on their face that we just saw with our semi-finalists. So I feel half of my battle is already won, and it's their energy that keeps me going. And yes, so I'm super excited. Apart from that, of course, the other social cause also attached with the pageant. So we are trying to do something good for society in a different manner as compared to what others are doing. And this is the best we can do, keeping the pandemic in mind also. So all the viewers, if any one of you all can think you all can help us in any way that you all think that would help us, please contact us, DM us, and we'll definitely get back to you on this. I think with that, we can wrap up the session.
Yeah, so Kushal, there are few questions coming. We'll give a quick, small answers for those questions
Sure.
so that we can wrap up quickly. By Dazzling Princess, only the people who are selected will get the email, or everyone. So everyone who is registering right now till 10th of May will be getting the email. And again, as Krishna mentioned, that we have a limited number of participants that we are going to take in. In case if that is happening, we'll announce it. Then we have another question. Audition dates. When are we going to start audition?
Auditions will be starting, the first set of auditions will be starting on 12th of May. So they will be followed up with 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, but 12th will be the first day we'll be starting auditions, and the first lot of contestants who are going to audition on the 12th have already received the mails.
Not paying any fee yet getting a big prize for our hard work through this pageant. Really commendable. From Priyanka Jadhav.
Thank you so
Priyanka.
much, Priyanka. Thank you. It's all your love and motivation that keeps us going. So thank you so much.
After registering ourselves, will be the auditions on the same day? No, you will be getting the email with the audition dates. I'm very grateful and thankful for Panache Institute.
Thank you so much.
Yashvi is telling, thank you, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. Very excited for this totally new thing.
Thank you. So are we.
And the last question, and after this we are going to wrap up.
Okay.
When are the finals? So the final question for when are the finals?
The finale is going to be conducted on 6th of June. So now, guys, I have come up with the date and it's been disclosed. So good luck and all the best to everyone, including the entire team of Panache, who's working so hard to put things together. So good luck to all our contestants. And one thing we should not be forgetting in all this excitement is we all need to stay home and we all need to stay safe. So with that, thank you so much, Khushbu. Thank you for joining us. And thank you all our contestants, our viewers. Thank you and hope to go live and interact with all of you all again very, very soon.
And if you guys have any questions, do DM us. We will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you. Good luck.
Bye-bye.